All right, today I have a Chevy Trailblazer, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Chevy Trailblazer. I'm going to show you how I do it, all right? I'm going to show you to turn on and off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the driver's side of this particular Chevy Trailblazer. All right, now I'm going to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Chevy Trailblazer. Now what I'm going to do is, my vehicle's in park right now. You see it's in park. I am going to look down here, and you see this right here? I am just going to pull this up, and you pull it up, you can see on here it says parking brake set, and the parking light turns on. Do you see that right there? That is indicative that the parking brake is on. Now, in order to turn the parking brake off, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go ahead and look at the button. I'm going to have to press it down, but if I just press it down without doing one other step, this is what comes up on the instrument panel. Step on brake to release parking brake. And there is the park sign right there. Do you see that? So what I have to do is, when the vehicle's still in park, I'm going to go ahead and press the brake. And then I'm going to come over here, and I am going to press this button right here. And when I press that button, the parking brake is released, and it shows you on the screen right there. All right, so that is how you turn on and off the parking brake on this particular Chevy Trailblazer. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Read your owner's manual.